Oh, my sweet fellow jewelers, have I got a solution to your problem? I'm sure you didn't know you had a problem, but you do. How to clean the molds to your resin jewelry. Oh, how do you do it? Well, I'm going to teach you today, and the answer is not soap and water. Don't you dare, don't do soap and water, and make sure your resin dries before you start cleaning them. So I'm going to teach you how to do it, but before I do, make sure you subscribe my channel, click that bell to get notifications, because I love teaching you the one-on-ones of jewelry making, whether resin jewelry, whether beaded jewelry. I got your back on both. So you and me, let's clean these suckers. I just demolded, so there's some stuff on it. I mean, the back's not really that important at all, but the front. And then I had extra and let it dry. You just want to let it dry overnight. You don't want to clean it out when it's wet, and you leave your stick in there to help you pop it out. Okay. When you leave your stirring stick in to help you pop it out, and you're just going to pull around, and you're going to pull it out, and you just like that. I love giving these to my kids because they just love them. They have a ball with them. I don't know. So we took that out, right? It's all dry. It's all dry in here. I'm gonna throw this away, put it to the side. And now I'm going to reverse my silicone cup and see how there's just speckles all over that. Well, I have packing tape. Packing tape is so great to clean it because water and soap is not good to clean your silicones because it's not great. So I'm going to put my tape around my hand like this, and I am going to clean my silicone. I'm going to clean my molds and this cup, and you're just going to go around and you're going to take every piece of resin off. And you're going to do that until it's all off. I could still do a bit more. And then you're going to do that to your mold. You're going to go in, and I turn my tape around, right? I have on one side, and I turn it around on my hand, and I go in and I get in the cracks, and I get where the resin is at, or where the sparkles have been, and I clean my mold. Now it doesn't look as clean because there's sparkles on the back, which drive me nuts. But you're gonna go in and you're gonna clean your mold so they can use it for the next time. And that's all you do to clean your silicone. It's so simple, right? And there's times, so I'm gonna move this. There's times I have to go and clean the outside too. I'm gonna clean the outside the same way. But sometimes after I've cleaned the inside and cleaned the outside, more gets on the inside because it's probably on my hand, right? So then I go one more time. Yep, I see. I go one more time and I clean the inside really well. Really, really, really well. Because you want everything to be gone for the next time that you want to use your cups. And so that is how you clean your, that's how you clean your silicone and your molds properly.